Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking this video. Without further ado, let's jump into video. So don't worry, this is not a web version, this is Android version because I am using Android emulator. So process is similar for mobile application. First, you need to open Instagram in your mobile phone. It can be either iPhone or Android. Wait for loading. Okay. Alright. It is loading now. Okay. Now it is loading complete. After you open the Instagram, you have to go to your profile. You can see there is a small profile icon in bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Now you are in your profile. Then after you need to access your setting. To do that, you can see there is a 3 lines in top right corner. Just tap on it. Okay. Then you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see under the how you use Instagram, you can see there is option called notifications. Just tap on it. Okay. In here you can see the third option, quiet mode. That means automatically mute notification at night or whenever you need to focus. Okay. It means if you need to stay away from Instagram for your another work like studying, you can turn on this quiet mode. Just tap on it, and now it is switched off. You have to switch on that one, and you can choose the start time and end time for that quiet mode, and you can choose the days. And as an example, if you start it need to 1 a.m., just tap on OK, and end time will be 6 a.m. Tap on OK. Then you need to do this for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Now 4 days are activated for sleep mode. You can see this is one. So then after you need to just tap on save. Yes. Now you have successfully set the quiet mode in Instagram. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.